Hello everyone! Do you know that the Baladna farm is one and only Qatar's biggest poultry and dairy producer in Doha? Then, come along with me today and we will discover being in a real farm as we can watch the cow is being milked. Happy Thursday everyone! We are on our way going to Baladna farm and it will take us probably 20 to 30 minutes drive. The last time we were there it was before the pandemic and today we are on our way going back there. Here is the chart that's showing how the milk is being processed. As it mentioned, this farm has a capacity to house up to 24,000 cows in a very comfortable and well air-conned environment. So this is what is happening now after the cows being washed. One by one, they're going inside by their own cubes. And then, once the cows are in their cubes, the worker will attach the suction device to start the milking process, and the milk will go directly to their tank. As you can see, once there is no more milk, the suction device will drop automatically. So, this is my favorite part as I love their menu. Whatever it serves in this table is freshly picked and harvested from their farm. And here are all the products that we can purchase direct from here. That's all for today. Thank you for your time and we'll see you again next time.